Hello guys, you are watching Technology Welfare. Let's learn and watch with practical in these tutorials how to rescue your Gmail ID. When someone who has stolen your Gmail password, change, recovery email and phone numbers. Now you don't have access to other recovery email and recovery phone numbers so that you can reset or get it back once again. Now this is not possible, so how do you approach to recover once again this ID? Unfortunately, this ID has been recommended by one viewer. He doesn't have the access of recovery email and recovery phone number. So let's learn how we reset here and deliver to this viewer. But in a case someone who has actually hijacked, hacked, or you have lost your device in that condition, also you will have no access of your recovery email and recovery phone number so that you can reset that. You can apply this strategy also in that conditions. First and foremost, we will go for next in coming in the recovery and see here it's asking password. We'll go for try another way. If you don't have password, now we don't have this QR code, now we don't have a phone number also, so just we will tap on it. And now we can see here that it's essential that I did not provide enough information for the Google to be sure that this account is mine. How could I make it mine? Yes, this can be the possible answer as many questions as you can. Use a device where you have the sign in before. If you don't by both options, then how could I? Let's learn by another way. Simply guys, we will have to come in the Play Store. In the Play Store, what we will have to do? We will have to come in here Firefox. No first browser, just we will go for install it and now see what will happen here. It has started to install here. See guys here. Now it's installing. So on the other hand, of course, we have two chances that is very essential. So we will come up here. Just we will hold this Google browser and of course we will click on this help icon and thereupon we'll have to come the notification, tap it to block and of course we will back. Once again we will come on a especially permission, navigate the location guys, so make the precise location off and thereupon we will click here don't allow anyway. Yes, tap on it. Now this one we have done. Now what we will do guys here, just we will cut it from here. Once again we will hold it this G browser guys, just we will hold it. Let's see. Now we will go for on allow and on allow here. What we will do guys here, it's taking time, make it disables and thereupon of course we will come in the locations, navigate it to make it off this permissions and thereupon we'll go for navigate to a locations, make the precise location off, click here don't allow anyway. Now what will happen guys here, see, just we will come on here and just let me here hold that and after holdings just we will go for here, check it out in the browser of course it has been opened, so just we will elect here. Now just let's open this browser, that's Firefox. Now what will happen guys here, just to see we'll go for get started and see what's coming here. The link is coming, so just we will write here Google help. Google help. I'll go for here. Next. Yes, we will have to type on it. So it's just let me click on here. It's taking slow, but now we have to fix the related to our issues that of course we will come on a Gmail. In Gmail here guys, Yeah, just let me of course pick this Gmail. A little bit slow is our workings. Now consign into Gmail accounts. Just we will tap on it guys here. Just now see here we will come on a you think someone else here, you think someone else is using this account. We will pick these ones. Now see it has been elected. Just we will go for secure these accounts. See again and again it's disturbing. Secure your accounts. Let's see. Now here we are. These steps to recover before going. So of course we will click on here. See, review your account activities. So let's see. Yes, review your account activities. Now we can see here that it's very clear that account find out if your account has been hacked. Tap on it. So let me tap. It's still again just disturbing. Let's see. Now yeah, just we will scroll up and thereupon let's see. Just we have an option here, that is account recovery page. Let's hit here. Just we will go for an account recovery page and see here what will happen. It has been opened here. Just we will have to write this. This ID we will have to pick. Then we will go for here. Click on a next. Now it's asking password. We click here. Don't allow anything. We don't have a password, so here what we can guys here, just we will go for try another way. So pick this ones. Now here is a QR, so just we will go for here. Hit this ones. It's taking slow. Now what we will do guys here, just we will go for here that we don't have a password, so just tap on next. Now here is a more tips to recover your accounts. We have gotten one more opportunity. We will use this option and we will recover quickly. How is possible? Don't click on a try again. Don't make a stupid things or mistakes here. Why? Because if we try again here, so then this account would be freeze for a time being, or for 1 day, for 2 days, or for permanence. Because I'm trying to recover some this side by a different browser, not for Google products. That's why, guys. So in that condition, what we will do here? Simply just we will cut it from here, and thereupon of course we will have to try via tapping on a setting guys. Let's see on setting to here we will have to come in a Google service. In Google service of course we will have to come on a here help options. In a help option here we will have to come in a lost or a stolen device. So in a search bar we will have to write, and we will have to pick some these ones. Now here what we will do guys here, just we will wait here. Now we will go for fix these issues. Now here we have options, and that is wait here guys. Now this account recover page we can. Now here these steps to recover your accounts. Now that we have one more options, and that is the special ends recovery page guys. Here we will type, and now that we are on here, now we will have to type here this particular ID guys. And thereupon of course we will tap here next. Let's see. Directly we would be here. Now what we will do here guys, Don't make a stupid things that here go for continue. Just we will have to click on a tap password. Here on this, change the password. So hit this one, guys, and see what will happen. We will have a strong opportunity to create the strong password. If we go for continue, then what will happen, guys? Here you will be trapped in its verify you. In that condition, so you will have no recovery email and recovery phone number, so that you can reset once again, because via OTP or via recovery numbers you would be able to reset this password. So right now here, don't click on it's verify you on a continue, because if you of course you will have to face this kind of speech learning challenges. Directly click on a change the password. Now Google have given an opportunity, of course a strong opportunity, to create or choose a strong password. So in that conditions here, see, we will create the strong password, confirms a new password, we will go for change it. After changing, of course, we will go in a security sensors to add the recovery email and recovery phone numbers. So that's just kind of the incident what will happen again. So right now on a live screen, we cannot create here in the strong password because it would be in a public domain, guys. So this is all about. Furthermore inquiry, of course, I have the query below the comment box, or drop your comment in the comment box. A pleasure demands to reply your query. And if you are unable to execute a similar status, then of course drop your email in the comment box. I will pick one, and of course we will try to recover, and of course I will deliver to you. So this is all about in this video tutorial, guys. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time. Bye bye.